See, let us see what was the question given here. If f of x is given, what it is given, limit h tends to 0, some function. Okay, fine. So let me write it down here. They are saying that f of x is nothing but what? Limit h tends to 0, sine of x plus h raised to the power log of x plus h minus, this is simply sine x. We are having what? This is minus sine x raised to the power log x, right? The whole thing divided by x. If this is your f of x, they are asking us to find f of pi by 2. See, f of pi by 2 means what? Wherever x is there, we have to replace with pi by 2. But we don't know what to do here. Is it okay? So first of all, what we will do, let us solve this problem for further, and then we will substitute f of pi by 2. So if you look into the problem, simply let us consider, see, this is in the form of sine x power log x kind of a thing, right? So what I will suggest you, newly let us consider g of x. What is g of x? Let us take it as a sine x raised to the power log x. Is it okay? Yeah. So if I move on to this, the general definition for the derivative. What is the derivative here? Let me write it down. If I ask you g dash of x, what is the actual formula? Limit h tends to 0, agree, g of x plus h minus here g of x by h. This is a general definition. Are you getting my point here? Yes. So this is nothing but this is by h. Is it okay? Yeah. Just a second. It is not writing actually. Yeah. So this is nothing but g of x. What we will do, wherever I have, I'll be simply replacing the same formula here. Is it okay? Yeah. So g dash is nothing but what? Limit h tends to 0, g of x plus h minus g of x by h. Is it okay? Yeah. So if you look into this problem, this is nothing but what? Wherever g is there, the same thing we are having. If you check, let me write it down. This is nothing but limit h tends to 0, g of x I have taken it as what? Sin x raised to the power log x. X plus h means what? Sin x plus h raised to the power log of x plus h. The same thing I'll be getting here. This is log of x plus h. Is it okay? Yes. And minus, what is g of x? That is nothing but sin x raised to the power log x. Agree? This is by h we have. Both are same. Are you getting my concept here? This is both are same. So what we will say, this is nothing but f of x. So I can say that g dash of x is nothing but f of x. Are you getting my point here? Yes. So simply I will rewrite g f of x is nothing but g dash of x. What is the meaning of g dash of x? D by dx of function g of x. Agree? Yes. Which is nothing but I can take it as f of x is nothing but d by dx of, what is this? This is g of x. I have taken g of x as what? Simply sin x raised to the power log x. Means you need to find the derivative of this function. Is it okay? For finding the derivative, we are having it two ways. So up to now, what we will do? We will do the same thing what you will be doing here. Is it okay? So this is simply take this as a equation number star. Okay. So now what we will do? Simply let us consider y. What is y? Sin x raised to the power log x. We need to find its derivative, right? D by dx of. So simply whenever if you have a function which is in the form of f power g, we need to apply log on both the sides. So simply try to apply log on both the sides. This is nothing but log y is equals to, this is log of, simply this is sin x raised to the power log x. Is it okay? Yeah. So if you look into it, we know the formula log of x power of n is always nothing but what? N times log x. The same formula I will be applying here as well. Okay. Yes. So this is n times log x. Is it okay? Yeah. So if I apply, this is nothing but a log y. The power means log x will comes front into, this is nothing but log of sin x. Agree? Now what should we do? We need to find its derivative. So let us differentiate this function with respect to x. Is it okay? Yeah. So if you look into this, let me give you one formula. We know that log x derivative will be what? Always 1 by x. And what is sin x derivative? That will be cos x. Is it okay? So same formula I'll be applying here. I'll apply. Let me write it down. This is cos x. So if I move on for further, what is log y derivative? 1 by y times dy by dx must be equals to, what is log x? Okay, this is in the form of product rule. So what is the product rule here? Let me show you. This is u, this is v. So what is u v derivative here? U dash v plus u into v dash. So same formula I'll be applying here. Let me complete this one. Yes. So log x derivative will be 1 by x times log of sin x, agree, plus log x will be as it is, log x derivative will be 1 by sin x, and we need to apply sin x derivative. Is it okay? Yes. If you have any doubts, you just let me know. So which is nothing but 1 by y times dy by dx must be equals to, this is nothing but a log of sin x by x plus, so this is log x by sin x. What is sin x derivative? That will be simply what? Cos x. So I'll be applying the cos x here. Is it okay? Yes. So what we will do, we got dy by dx is nothing but y times, this is log of sin x by x plus, again this will be what? Log x times cos x times, okay, by sin x. Is it okay? Yes. What is our y? Y is nothing but sin x power log x. So I'll be applying same formula here. Dy by dx is nothing but, this is sin x raised to the power log x times the whole thing, which is log of sin x by x plus, this is log of x, this is cos x, and this will be sin x. Is it okay? This is the derivative of the term. So what I will do, let us take this as a equation number 1. So from the star we need to find what? Therefore star implies what we have? We have f of x is nothing but what? We need to find d by dx of sin x raised to the power log x. This is what we need to find. Means its derivative. What I got? I got f of x is nothing but, let me substitute from the one equation. I can say that sin x raised to the power, this is log x, this is nothing but log of, this is simply sin x by x, okay, plus this is simply log x into, this is cos x by, this will be sin x, agree. Yes. If you look into the problem, what they're asking, f of x we got, so they are asking about f of pi by 2. F of pi by 2 means what? It is 90 degrees. So sin 90 will be how much? Sin 90, which is 1. So we don't know what is this. This is log of, simply take it as a pi by 2. Okay. So this here log of sin 90 will be what? That is 1 by x is what? Pi by 2 plus log of pi by 2 is as it is. Cos 90 will be what? 0. Sin 90 will be what? 1. So if I go for further, this is nothing but 1 times. So log 1. Remember, we know that log 1 will be what? Always equals to 0. Is it okay? So this will be log 1, this is 0 times whatever may be denominator, which is pi by 2, leave as it is, plus 0 into anything will be what? 0. So finally what I'll be getting here, I'll get f of pi by 2 is nothing but 0 plus 0, which is nothing but 0. So I can say that f of pi by 2 will be 0. This is what they are asking us to find. Agree? So this problem is not difficult. If you look into it properly, obviously you will understand. Is it okay? Thank you. Yes, we can conclude for now.